Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 17 to question number 20 of exercise 1.2 of class 10. As you can see the question, we have to find the square of these numbers by Dvandva method. So we will start by question number 17. Question number 17, we have to do the square of 362. So here first we will make the pair of 362. So the process to make the pair of 362 is like this. You have to start from the leftmost digit, that is 3 first. Then with 3 just take one more digit, that is 3 6, that is 36, that is second pair. Now for the third pair one more digit just take 3 6 2. Now we started from 3. Now you have to decrease them. Decrease them means you have to remove. Since we reached up to 362, so you just start to reduce it. First just remove 3 from here, so you are remain with 62. Then remove 6 from here, so you are remain with 2. So how we are done? First we started from 3, first 3, then 36, then 362. So we reached up to maximum digit of the given question. Then start to reduce. Since we started to include from 3, so when you will do the reduction, you should start to reduce from the included number first, that is from 3. First remove 3, that will give you 62. Then remove 6, that will give you only 2. So these 5 are our pairs. Now we'll find out the square of 362 by finding the dvandva of these digits. So we'll see the process. So here in this method the format is going to be like this: 362 square, then d of 3, that is our first pair. D of 3 means dvandva of 3, then dvandva of 36, then d of 362, then d of 62 and d of 2. So these datas we wrote from the pairs which we made here. See here 3, so here also 3, then 36, and then 362, then 62, then here 2. Now we will learn how to find out the dvandva of 3. So to find out the d of single number, you have to put like this, then put the arrows, then 3 3s are 9. So the dvandva of 3 is 9. Then to find out the dvandva of 36, you have to do like this, you have to make the pairs like this, then 2 multiplied with this 2 extra you have to do. So this is the process to find out the dvandva of 2 digit number. You have to make the pairs like this, then 2 multiplied by 3 into 6. So that will give you answer 3 2 is 6, 6 6 is 36. So dvandva of 36 is again 36. So here I wrote 2 into 3 into 6, that is 36. Now we have to find out the d of 362. So just see, to find out the d of 362, you have to make the pair from the extremes. So when we start to make the pair from extremes, this 3 and 2 will come in the pair, but this 6 is alone. So when the digits are in pair, what the method is? 2 multiplied by the digits. So 2 multiplied by 3 into 2. And when the pair is alone, you have to do the square. Like when 3 was alone, we had done 3 into 3. In the same way, when 6 is alone, you have to do 6 square. So finally add them. So that will give you, means that's the method. So this you just write here, then we'll solve here. Now we have to do the dvandva of 62. Write here 62, make the pair. Means you should start to make the pair from the extremes. How many pairs you can make it, and if any digit is alone, then like this it will happen. So when we'll write here 62 and when we'll try to make the pair, only one pair will form. So after forming the pair, write down here 2 into 6 into 2. So the dvandva of this is 2 into 6 into 2. Now this 2 is alone, so 2 square. So here just see 9 as it is, then 2 into 3 into 6. Here I explained that why this 2 came here. Students, dvandva means by Tiryak Bhaya method, you have to put the arrows. So when we'll put the arrows, 3 into 6, that is 18. Then 3 into 6, 18. Means we are doing the double of 18. That's why 2 into 18, that is 2 into 3 into 6. Now in the same way, when 3 digits are here, that is this middle one. When 3 digits are here, we have to put the arrows like this and middle arrow. So 3 into 2, then again 3 into 2, then 6 square. So 3 into 2 we are doing twice, that's why here 3 into 2 twice, then multiplied by 6 square. So Dvandva is not only other thing, it's the same way which we had learned in Tiryak Bhayama method. We are putting the arrows, tir, and then along that just multiply, you will get the Dvandva. So either opt this way or use the smallest method, that is like this, make the pair from the extremes and like this just do. So finally, after finding the Dvandva, that is 9 here, product of these three numbers is 36, then 2 into 3 is 6, 6 2s are 12, so 12 here, plus 6 square is 36, then 2 into 6 into 2 is 24, then 2 square is 4. Now in this Dvandva method, in each section only one digit should exist, other digits you have to shift, so just put the arrows like this, shifting arrows. Then this 3 will come here, so 9 plus 3, then 6 remains, then 4 will come here. In the same way here 8 remains, then 2 will come here. Now here only 4 remains, this 4 as it is. Now then add them, 9 plus 3, 12, 6 plus 4, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, then this 4 as it is and this 4 also as it is. Now again after shifting and adding, we observe that in these two sections, two digits remain. So again you have to shift one digit. So shift one digit here. Shift this one also here. So after shifting you will obtain like this. Then add them. Now in each section one digit remains. That's why remove slash from between and you will get this answer. Now we will move to the question number 18. In question 18, we have to find out the square of 453 by Dvandva method. So we will make the pair. How to make pair? As I explained in previous question. First 4, then 4, 5, then 4, 5, 3. Now start to reduce. Cut 4 from here. So you will get 53. Cut 5 from here. You will get here 3. Then write down this math step. Now after writing the step, Dvandva of single term is 4 square. The Dvandva of 45, you just make the pair, then multiply 2 into 4 into 5. So like this. Dvandva of 4, 5, 3, make the pair from extreme. So 4 and 3 came in the pair. Since 4 and 3 came in the pair, so 2 multiplied by 4 into 3. So this 2 is additionally, students, you have to take care. Whatever digits of the pair, along that extra 2 you have to take. Like here also 4, 5 and then 2. In the same way 4, 3 and then 2. Now this 5 is alone, so alone number square. So D of 4, 5, 3 is this. In the same way make the pair of 53, then 2 into 5 into 3, then Dvandva of 3, that is alone, that's why 3 square. Now 4 square is 60 and the product of these three numbers is 40. Multiply them, you will get 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 5 square is 25, product of these three terms is 30, then 3 square is 9. Now as I mentioned in previous question, in each section only one digit should exist, so you have to do the shifting. After shifting and removing slash, you will get this answer. So that is the answer of square of the given number. Now we will move to the question number 19. In question number 19, you just see the question. Here this time we have 4 digits, so pairs are going to be, we will start from 4, first 4, then 4 3, then 4 3 1, then 4 3 1 2. So we reached up to maximum digit. After reaching up to the maximum digit, you should start to reduce. So reduce, 4 just cut, you will get here 3 1 2, then cut 3, you will get here 12, then cut 1, you will get here 2. Now after writing this, write down the D of all these pairs, that is Dvandva of all these pairs. And as I explained to you in previous question, then for single number Dvandva you have to do 4 into 4, that is 4 square. And for the two numbers you have to put the arrows like this, that will give you 2 into 4 into 3. When three numbers are there, start from the extreme, make the pair. So 4 and 1 will come in the pair and this 3 is alone, so 3 square. Now when you have to do the square, when you have to calculate the Dvandva of 4312, you just start to make the pair like this digit. From the extreme you start to make the pair. So 4 and 2 will come in one pair. and 3 and 1 will come in another pair. So sorry, so the digits which came in the pair, in that extra 2 you have to write down. So 2 into 4 into 2, and with 3 and 1 again you have to write down 2. So like this it will happen. So you can see here all the rough work I had done, so that you can understand how we've calculated the D. So D of 4, that is alone, that's why square. 43 will come in one pair, so 2 into 4 into 3. 4, 3, 1, from here we'll write down the answer. And for 4312, from here just write down this here. And like this write down here. And now multiply them in each sections, multiply and add, you will get them. And then in each section only one digit should remain, so shift the number in other section. After shifting and adding, you will see that your answer is this. Now last question of this method, again here 4 digits are there, so you have to make the pair. So first 2, then 24, then like this you have to make the pair. After making the pair, write down the D of 2, then D of 24, like this. And then to find out the Dvandva, it's alone. So single number Dvandva is 2 square. Then Dvandva of 24. So since it came in the pair, so 2 into 2 into 4. So write here. Then Dvandva of 2, 4, 5. So they came in the pair. So 2 into 2 into 5. This 4 is alone. That's why 4 square. So this complete. You just write here. Then D of this. So when we make the pair, just see here, first pair is of 2 and 6, second pair is of 4 and 5. So with 2 and 6, 2 into 2 into 6, because extra 2 used to come. Then 4 and 5, again 2 into 4 into 6. So this complete you have to write here. Instead of this you have to write down here. Then D of 4, 5, 6, you can see that I calculated here. This you just write here. Then in D of 56, write here. Then D of 6, that is alone, that's why 6 square. Now here multiply them and write down. And here you have to add 20 and 16 and 24 and 40 and 48 and 20 and write down their answers in their own sections. After writing the multiplication and addition answer, you have to keep only one digit in each section except this first section. So you have to do the shifting like this way. Put the arrows and mention that which digit you are going to shift. So this 4 here. Now from here which number is shifting? 1. So with 4 1 came. Now what remain here? 6. So write 6 as it is. Then 3 came here. That's why 3 here. Now what remain here? 6. Then extra 6 came from the other section. So 6 plus 6. Now here 4 remain. Along that 7 will come. Here 3 remain. Along that 6 will come. Next 0 remain. Along that 3 will come. And in last 6 remains. Then add them. After adding, we found that in these two sections 2 digit again appeared. So you have to shift this one here and this one here. After shifting, it will happen like this. Then when you just add them, after adding again, here 10 appears, that is 2 digits. So this one again you have to shift. So this shift this one again here, that is going to be 6. So remove slashes from between. So that is the square of this question. Thank you.